Okay. Within how many years of giving my services to Red Cross, this is also yung sinasabi nilang pride of being a Filipino. Kung sino man sa inyo ang pwedeng magbigay ng kanyang talent o kanyang panggagawa, all is open for us. I'm not only inviting you, but Telo, the Prospero, Africa po, Ecome.